Comrades, this is a joint agitation of officers and award staff. And our gathering together here is actually an eyesore to the management. But it is also an eye-opener because our unity is going to take us forward. We all know why we are protesting here. We have got a demand of 20 points which we have placed before the management. I'm sure all of you are aware of the 20 points. But the main point is the staff issue, an acute staff shortage in the banks. All of us are suffering daily because of this dwindling staff strength in our bank. Each one of us know what we are going through. Now we are coming here together, not because we are noisy or because we are protest oriented, but because we are concerned about our bank. We are concerned about our figures going down. We are concerned about all the policies of the management which are anti-workers and which are very adamant. We are concerned that our competitors are taking over from us. So all these concerns and all these problems of ours, we have gathered here to protest against all that. We are having an agitation for almost 2 weeks, which will culminate in a strike on the 27th. So we should all gear up and keep up this unity of officers and award staff, and together we have to face the management, we have to clinch our issues, and we have to remain united always. So here is Officer Awardman Staff Unity. Zindabad! Zindabad!
Good evening, everyone. Mostly the points are covered by Kariza, but it's a very good thing that our staff union and officers union are coming together, because both these unions constitute 90% of the workforce in our entire bank. So if we 90% have come together, there is some reason at least. Otherwise, even we are not free that we will come on road, we will start protesting against the management. We also want to see our bank prosper. But now, water is so flowing under the bridge that we have initiated this agitation program. The main two, I will just focus on the main two reasons, the remaining Kariza has already covered. First is the staff shortage. We are working under dire circumstances, you know, everything, be it insurance. Now, what things are we not selling? Banking has taken a backseat. We are into insurance and everything. Okay, we are ready, we do anything, whether it is insurance, third-party products or whatnot. But at least adequate staff should be there. Now, 10 to 5 they say, 10 to 6 they say, but humanly it's not possible to, you know, cater to all kinds of works by 6 o'clock. People are sitting till 8 o'clock. This is because of this that the work-life balance of us and our family life is being affected. So this is our sincere appeal to the management that have a sufficient staff so that people in the work don't work like they are some wanted laborers. Secondly, there have been many decisions which are taken unilaterally by the management, and the majority associations, majority union federations, be it award staff or officers, they were not consulted. The one such was transfer policy which has happened recently. We have given some points to the management that they should work on this so that if a person, okay, we understand it's a nationalized bank, we can be transferred anywhere, but it should be in a way that the family life should not be affected that much, and at the same time he is encouraged enough to work for the bank. Work-life balance is very important. Even there are so many, our colleagues who are undergoing, psychiatric consultations. We have resorted to this. There was time in 80s, 90s that it was deemed that the banking job is the most lucrative job. That even the IS leave IS job and they come here, but no. Times have changed now. I don't know what era they are talking about, but this time, this is not like that. So we have to raise our voice very sternly to the management that this time we can't accept it like last time. This time there has to be some concrete decision within a certain time frame so that we can call it off. Otherwise we will not. We will continue our agitation. We will even go for a strike on 27, which is called nationwide by our parent organization, All India Union Bank Officers Federation. It is under their umbrella, the Union Bank Officers Association Goa, along with the Awaaz Staff Union, have gathered here together to raise our voice against the management. So in the end, I would like to end this address by saying, All India Union Bank Officers Federation, Jindabad. All India Union Bank Employees Association, Jindabad, Jindabad. I walk, Jindabad, Jindabad. Inqilab, Jindabad, Jindabad. Thank you.
So we have a few more slogans. Okay, please respond. So we demand adequate recruitment in all cadres.
We demand.
Unilateral decisions of management. We condemn. Please repeat. Unilateral decision of management. We condemn. I will give you the reply, then you will repeat. Okay. Adamant attitude of management. Down. Twice. Restoration of bilateralism. We demand. Increasing pressure on the officers. We condemn. Maintain work-life balance. We demand. Payment of appropriate wages to the temporary employees. We demand. Regularization of temporary and empaneled employees. We demand. Finalize manpower requirement in branches in consultation with majority unions. We demand. Toxic work culture. We oppose. Appointment of apprentices. We oppose. Wasteful expenditures. We oppose. Fringe benefits to all sections of employees. We demand. Revised PLI metrics. We demand. Proper infrastructure to customer service. We demand. Now to you.
Okay.
You have.
Revised banks accountability policy. We demand. Clearing of pending compassionate appointments. We demand. Regularization of empaneled employees and temporary employees. We demand. Immediate recruitment of sub-staff. We demand. Minimum wages to temporary and casual employees. We demand. Revised disciplinary proceedings applicable to the officers. We demand. Modification of Union Parivar HRMS package and the processes. We demand. Policies involving DSA and corrections. We demand. Implementation of mutually agreed policies and settlements. We demand. Revive the Business Development Council forums. We demand. Implementation of settlements signed with AIUBE and RSC Mumbai. We demand. All India Union Bank Employee Association. All India Union Bank Officers Federation. Our struggle, just struggle. Our unity, Zindabad. Our path, right path. Our unity, long live. Our fight, just fight. Our unity, march on. Thank you.
So comrades, we will fight till we succeed. So please gear up for the strike on the 27th. I hope all of us will participate wholeheartedly and make this agitation a total success. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
एक फोटो
Yes.
Not photo briefing. Ma'am, today Bank of Union had a protest officer. So what it is exactly?
It is because we have placed about 20 demands in front of our management, and our management is a little adamant, and they are not ready. They are not ready to listen to our demands amicably. They are not ready for a dialogue. So that is why we have arranged this agitation. It is almost for 2 weeks. So we have been protesting from the 13th. On the first day, we have handed over memorandums to all the regional managers. We have done black badge wearing in the banks, and then this protest demonstration. In another 2 days, we are having a candlelight demonstration, and on the 27th is going to be the All India strike. So we hope the management comes to terms and they start a dialogue with us and they try to solve our issues. All our issues are in this, all the demands are there. If you want, we can give you a call.
Ma'am, one more thing, many banks got merged last few years and the staff was got removed. Now you are asking for the staff shortage. How it is?
Banks got merged.
Yeah.
The business of the bank has also increased. And over the years, a lot of our staff has retired. Yeah. So there is no replacement and there is no recruitment in the bank. So our bank made a statement saying that we have excess staff. But the ground reality is we are facing a very acute shortage of staff. So our people have to work for late hours. They are mentally stressed out. So we have to complete. Ours is a bank. We have to do day-to-day business where we have to end up every day. So that stress is there. People, especially our managers and officer cadres, they stay very late to finish up the work. So this is causing a stress among them.
But ma'am, this is a central issue also because it belongs to all the India Federation. So what do all the employees are with you along?
Yes, this is an agitation. We have two major unions in the bank. One is the employees union and one is the officers union. So 90% of workforce is in these two unions. So we have gathered together. Okay, we have come together on a common forum to face the management. So that is why we hope that our agitation is going to be more fruitful with all together and everybody revolt.
But any letters or any information is sent to the central regarding?
Yes. In fact, we approached the management for talks before we started this on the 9th of September. But there was no consensus. The management has not agreed. And that is why from the 13th we have started to go on agitation.
Ma'am, you have 20 demands in which opposing the apprenticeship. Why are you opposing the apprenticeship?
We are opposing apprenticeship because we have so many vacancies in the bank. We are asking them to take permanent staff. Why take apprenticeship with a meager salary when they can be absorbed in the bank? We have that much of vacancies. So we are saying recruit them. Don't take them temporary, take them as permanent staff.
And the work hours load is there, ma'am. Like many people go depression, something like is there going on?
Yes, there are. In Goa, at least it is not much, but in other states, a lot of our managers and officers have committed suicide. I think it's all there in the news. You all must be aware of it. So we have to avoid that because everybody has, as I said, we have a work-life balance. So we cannot be all the time in the office. We also have a balance. We have a life. We have a family. So that balance should be maintained. It should not be stressful every day.
My last question is, ma'am, if the management agrees to your demands, what will be your next step?
If they agree our demands, of course, we will be satisfied because all the demands, there is no monetary demand in that. We have given 20 demands, but there is no monetary benefit in that. Okay, it is all the policies of the management, where staff is concerned, where work culture is concerned, all those types, where temporary employees are concerned. So we are fighting for these issues. We are not asking for money. So once they are settling all our demands, which I don't know, so that means we have achieved a milestone.
Ma'am, many students are preparing for the bank exam. Any message for them, ma'am?
Yes, in fact, I have a very strong message for Goans. Okay, when banks advertise for vacancies in Goa, many of our Goans are hesitant to come forward and answer the exams. So people from other states are coming and answering because here they have very less competition and they get promoted very fast. So our Goans should stress on this. They should stress on the exams. They should learn. They should coach for the exams. And of course there is competition. These are competitive exams. They have to get through this.
Ma'am, your name and designation?
I am Belisa Pereira, Actually, I have just retired from Union Bank as a head cashier.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you very much.